Hello everyone, welcome back to engineering drawing tutorial. I am Rakesh Valasa. In this video lecture I am going to explain one problem on projections of points. Let us see the given problem. Draw the projections of the following points. Point A 25 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Point B 25 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. Point C 30 mm below HP and 45 mm behind VP. Point D 30 mm below HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Point E lying in both the planes. Okay, for easy understanding, uh, I'm taking these quadrants. This blue color plane is called vertical plane. This is perpendicular to the ground. Okay, this ash color is horizontal plane, that is parallel to the ground. The intersection of two planes, that is called XY line or reference line. For any problem, first you need to draw the XY line on your drawing sheet. One important point is that for solving any type of problem, just you can fix observer position. The observer always watching from this in front of VP, from this direction. See the first point, 25 mm above the HP, 35 mm in front of VP. That means the point in first quadrant. So this is the first quadrant. The point A is 25 mm above the HP. From this HP plane you can locate this point here, 35 mm in front of VP. This is, let us take point A 25 mm. That means from here to here, that is 25 mm above the HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Here this A projection, this A, when the observer watching from this side, always front view falls on this vertical plane. So this is A dash. Here you can represent front view with A dash, B dash, etc. Top view without prime like A, B, C, etc. So this top view falls on this horizontal plane. So this is A. So front view is always falls on vertical plane. Top view is always falls on horizontal plane. Please remember this point. Front view is always falls on vertical plane. Top view is always falls on horizontal plane. And one more important point. I'm telling the one important easiest point. You can see this any type of point. Above means above the HP. That means above the XY. Above the HP. Below, below. Above means above XY, below means below XY. In this way you can easily remember, you can easily solve any type of problem. So locate one point on XY, draw the 25 mm above the HP. So above means from the XY line you can draw one projector line, that height is 25 mm. That point name is front view point, that is A dash. Now give the dimension 25 mm above the HP, and top view falls on horizontal plane. For 2D representation, just you can rotate horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise direction. So that top view point goes to below XY. From the same projector point, draw the 35 mm below the XY. That means 35 mm in front of VP. That name is top view A. So give the dimension, that is 35 mm. Okay, this is regarding first quadrant. Let us move to the second point, that is point B 25 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. So above behind means that is that point in second quadrant. That means this is the second quadrant. Second quadrant, let us take the point here, 25 mm above the HP. That means 25 mm above the HP. This point name is capital B, and 40 mm behind VP. That means from vertical plane 40 mm behind VP. This front view, observer always watching from this side. This front view projection falls on vertical plane, and top view projection always falls on horizontal plane. So first you need to draw the uh, above position, 25 mm above position. Okay, locate one more point on XY. Just you can keep the distance between two projectors. You can take 20 mm or 25 mm or 30 mm. That depends upon your convenience. So draw the 25 mm above the HP. That is B dash. So this is the B dash, and this is the B. 25 mm above the HP. So from XY line, draw the 25 mm vertical projector line, and that name is front view B dash. So this is 25 mm above the HP. Next one is 40 mm behind VP. You can see this distance in the only top view. So this top view projection falls on horizontal plane. For our convenience, rotate this horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise direction. So this top view point goes to above XY. Please always, dear students, please remember, you can take the distance from this XY, not from B dash. Some students are taking the distance from B dash. That is wrong. Always take the distance from XY line. So this is the top view point B. Give the dimension 40. This is regarding second quadrant. Next, move to the point C. 30 mm below HP, 45 mm behind VP. So this is the third quadrant. 30 mm below HP, 45 mm behind VP. Below means you can take the point here. This is C. 30 mm below the HP and 45 mm behind VP. So observer watching from this side. So this front view, that means below HP, falls on vertical plane, that is C dash. This top view point falls on horizontal plane, that is C. We know the basic rule, always rotate this horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise direction. So this top view goes to above XY. Okay, coming to this representation, locate locate the point on XY. I can take the 25 mm from this vertical line. So 30 mm below the HP, that is C dash. Next, 45 mm behind VP. So give the dimension here, 35 mm, 30 mm below the HP. So this top view goes to above XY. So that distance is 45 mm. This 45 distance appear in the top view. So from the same projector line, draw the 45 mm behind VP. So this is top view C. So give the dimension 45. Next, move to the point D. Below HP and in front of VP. So the point in fourth quadrant. So 30 mm below the HP, 40 mm in front of VP. 30 mm below HP, 40 mm in front of VP. This condition also observer watching from this side, front view falls on vertical plane, that is D dash. This is capital D. So top view falls on horizontal plane, that is small d. We know the same rule. Again, rotate this horizontal plane 90 degrees clockwise direction. So front view, top view both are below XY. Locate one more point here. Draw the 30 mm below the HP. This name is D dash. 40 mm in front of VP. So from the XY, draw the 40 mm. Give the dimension 30. D point, this 40 mm. Here one observation is that in the second quadrant, both front view and top view are above XY. Coming to the third quadrant, that means fourth quadrant, front view and top view both are below XY. below xy. One more observation in the first quadrant. First quadrant is quietly opposite to third quadrant. In the first quadrant, above HP, that means in the first quadrant, front view is above xy, top view below xy. In the third quadrant, front view is below xy, top view is above xy. Just you can remember these 2 points. One is second quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the second quadrant, front view, top view are above xy. In the fourth quadrant, front view, top view are below xy. In the first quadrant, front view is above xy, top view is below xy. And in the fourth quadrant, that means third quadrant, front view is below xy, top view is above xy. The last point is lying in both the planes. That means intersection of these planes. So this is the E point. This condition, front view and top view both are the same point. Just look at the point here. Right, E dash comma E or E comma E dash. This is a very simple problem. In this way you can just if you have doubt how to draw this quadrants, just draw the two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. Just join this diagonal. Just draw the diagonal here. Just draw the diagonal here. Next, draw parallel line to this one here. Then draw the parallel here, parallel to this one here. In this way you can draw the coordinates very easy. Then erase this one. Eraser. Just erase this one. Okay, this is the way to you can construct, you can draw the rough sketch of coordinates in easy way. Otherwise you can take the notebook. In the horizontal one is let us assume horizontal plane, vertical one is let us assume vertical plane. Okay, this is the way to solve any type of problem in projection of points. Okay, I hope this drawing is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.